Hello, I'm celebrating the black, the gold, and the green. I am Jamaican. Wherever I go, I'm Jamaican. Story time. I'm going to tell you a little story and a real life happening. After 16 years in the United States, 15 years undocumented, 16 years I haven't gone to see my family. So when I go to Jamaica, I knew I would spend family time with my siblings. So I went to Linstead with my friend. Walking through Linstead, I heard my theme song when I was down and I was out. And days when I feel like there was no end in sight. That song was my theme song. So I heard it playing on the street in Linstead. Who tell the song to go play? All I knew, I was in a platform shoe. Remembering, reminisce all what I've been through. That could have destroyed me. And then I heard this song. Could you imagine? Over and over again and again, God has been faithful. I stopped. It was shocking to my friend and his son. I stopped. And I started singing this song. And I started to jump like this. I was in a platform shoe. And I started to jump. And I started to sing this song. And I started to jump. You know, it was like a open door ajar for me. And singing this song that I normally sing every day. The way I sing this song, my daughter knows it by heart. Because this song I sing over and over again. I remember holding on to my friend daughter. She said, "Mind you take off my wig. Mind you pop off my wig. Mind you drop my wig." And, you know, I just feel like I wanted to shout. I wanted to cry out. I can't express the feeling that I felt. It was just like the prison door has opened for me. There was a door ajar for me. I just start singing. And I sing and I sing. There was somebody who was selling. The guy said, "Make she sing. She can't sing a foreign. Make she sing." As she write that song. You know some go want a copy of this song? All police cars stop. One piece of excitement. All police cars stop. I didn't see, but my friend said, all when the police cars stop. And for you who know me, you know my voice loud. It was something to talk about. My voice loud up in a Linstead. You know, it was just like releasing some of my inner stress that I have been through. It was just like a release for me. I don't know why they go play this song. But I stopped and I sing and I sing and I sing and I sing. I don't see anybody and I couldn't care who was looking, who was watching. I just start singing and praising God in Linstead Market and I shout, singing this song and I started jumping. I remember jumping like this. In a platform shoe, I was in a dress. And I jump and I jump. And I sing like there was no tomorrow. God has been good to me. Because when I look back, where I am now, I can say to God be the glory. Great things he has done. My son, I came here and I sent my son to school to become a journalist. I did it all alone, without document. I did it. When my big daughter wanted to start college, I was there as a mother. I was there. Now, she has a master's. With my little daughter, I was there without document. I was there to support parents. Support your children. They want to go to college, support them. Not every child has the ability to learn. And not every child will come out the way you want that child to come out. But spend money. You don't know who is going to come and help you in the long run. Spend money on your children that they can be successful. One day, a lady asked me, how did you get a journalist son, lady? I sacrificed. When I could buy all the clothes and shoes in America, I sacrificed. I made a sacrifice that my children have a good education. And thanks be to God, all of them have a college degree. All of them. I don't know how God did it. But it wasn't me. It was the I in me. There were a lot of struggle. There were a lot of pitfall. There were a lot of hurdles jumping over. There are times when I hear from my children, I'm coming home, you don't have the money. But I still push and press and pray and agonize with God. And God answered, and it came through at the right time. Parents, send your children to college. Not every child wants to go to college. Trade. If it's even a trade in their head, make yourself available with the finances. Don't, if I had follow people, I would not educate my son. No spend no money on picnic. Picnic now can't do nothing for you. Just spend your money on picnic. And picnic go about them business. Let me try. Make them feel. Because they have got to talk to. I want to know, as a mother, I did my job correctly. With no complaints. Because I'm not going to be spending money for life. I let them get the foundation. And then they can go stand on their feet. But they can't say, mother didn't help. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my video. Thank you.